Hello, I'm Miguel. I'm Portuguese, working for L'Oréal for 10 years already. I started in Portugal, 5 years in Portugal, almost 5 years in France now. Actually, L'Oréal, it was my first job. In Portugal, I started as a trainee in the physical distribution. So today I'm the supply chain director of L'Oréal New Markets. So basically, I'm in charge of all the supply chain team, and we have 3 different domains. We have demand and supply planning. We also have the customer care team, so the people that are directly in touch with the clients. And then the 3rd domain is the physical distribution and transport. L'Oréal New Markets is an entity within L'Oréal that has in charge all the countries that don't have subsidiary within Middle East and Africa. Dealing with Africa, it's a little bit to start from the beginning in the startup mode, where we have basically everything to do and redo continuously. It's a continuous challenge. We need all the time to question ourselves. The fact that we are dealing with totally different countries, it's my passion for L'Oréal is that I know that I will not get bored. I'm always learning new things, an opportunity to grow, to work with the best in class. I'm sure that I'll always be working on interesting projects. And today I'm in France, tomorrow I can be wherever I want. So I have this freedom to put in place my ideas, to make it kind of my company. It's a continuous challenge, testing and learning. This is my life in L'Oréal.